Another story. Now say wetin. For polygamous couple, that means say woman, two women them, when they marry one massah. They don't go now for hospital. And then they reach hospital, they don't try to begin make some kind of thing them. When they are with some kind push on them. They don't, that kind of thing they take jabun so they call it charm. Then two, they take charm for go charm their massah with them. The matter so na daily trust he talk about the matter. And then the woman they stay now for Nigeria, they call it for the Dakwa village for that side for Nigeria, way not far from Abuja. Now the thing don't go turn so way that herbalist they don't give them some grass. Say now that grass they go use her now for make her say media massah he not take number 3 woman because the man want take number 3 woman. Now so the thing go be give for that side ton. Then that liquid way they don't take another consumer. He don't make another one he hand he don't start give some kind way. And then the other one he belle he make some kind way. They go make diagnostic for hospital. They see say that plan the way they take away they give them for the na plan the way and they get small poison for inside. Now that doctor he don't talk for the Musa Mohammed the woman them they go for make operation for them. For sika semi man not take number 3 woman. Una go take thing on the consumer we baba for village tell una say una fit take the one we go do so go help una go begin take am for say may help una. If una no be one polygamy, one enter polygamy. When man don't take 1, you don't take 2. If you take 3, if you take 4, if you see say the thing don't define you, you don't want to remain for the marriage. You come on you kang for the marriage. Now so they do the thing. No be say you go me tell me na which doctor maybe give you some kind thing them and me use for say maybe you turn the man headache and the man of it turn he go give catch sugar.